GM. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Ooh, Barry almost dead. Barry's almost. My computers are always dead. Let me plug this thing in before the show ends. Before we even start, guys. How you guys doing? GM. Happy Monday. Happy August 4th. Hope you guys doing all right. Yeah, just looking at some stuff. Let me just check to make sure audio works. Give me a second, guys. Because sometimes my audio does not work properly. So let me just make sure this stuff works. Not now. Um, GM, hey champ, what's going on? We got Jerry the Kid, Jennifer Burke, man. GM, how you guys doing? GM to you, awesome people. How's the audio? Where's my headphones? I'll make sure the stuff is working. Make sure audio is working. Hello. Perfect. Audio is working perfectly. Thank you for being here, guys. How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing okay, man. We got OX Gachi. Yeah, I was ineligible to for Towns. Yeah, Towns. Airdrop checker came out. The funny thing is, I was on this stuff for a while, but I mean, it's what it is, man. I mean, you cannot win all the time. That's how this stuff works. So no problem. But yeah, man, I says it's been a while since I was ineligible. This feeling is unfamiliar. Yeah, it's been a while, man, but it's okay though. I think you just keep grinding. I see the comments coming in, man. Jerry, what's up? What's up, Jerry? OX Gachi, Gachi, Jichi, and Jerry Kid and Jennifer in the house. How you guys doing, man? What's going on? What's going on? Uh uh if you actually got in on the task, have you entered your town's wallet? Most people made a mistake and entered a wallet that connected to towns instead of wallet provided in app. Yeah, I did a wallet in app, man. That's unfamiliar. Uh yeah, no, I'm not even tripping. I wasn't eligible. I don't know why, right? I entered, I interacted, I did what I need to do, but I can't stress myself always, right? I don't think. Let me see. I don't think it's a wallet. Then let me just double check. I don't think so though, because they said the in-app wallet. That's what I use. So let me check the non-in-app wallets and let's see what happens. I don't think I got in though. So I'm talking about. If you wonder what I'm talking about, right? It's called Towns. This protocol. Let me copy it again. Um, But I don't think I got in though. I don't think. But I'm just checking all the address. But I'm not worried, man. I mean, it's what it is. Things you win, you lose. I mean, I don't know. I just always believe there's always more. Yeah, I didn't get in, guys. I just checked my other wallet. Yeah, I checked the in-app wallets. It didn't work. So it's what it is. Drake said, "I'm gonna have you enjoying network not." Yeah, no, yeah, yes. Yeah. Oh, so guys, how do you do that stuff anyway, man? Network Noya, do you say do you claim those stars every day? Is that how that works? Or every week, every Monday? I'm not sure. I'm on it, but let me check real quick. 1 second. I just started messing with Network Noya. I'm still brand new on that stuff, man. So let me check. Noya. Actually, it's right here. Let me just refresh this page. Um, yeah, man. So Jim, we'll start the show in a second, man. We're just checking out wallets real quick and see. Star. Okay, I see stars. Do you claim it or how does that work? Okay, I see weekly stars. I see some stars in my on here, but do you do you claim it or you check in? Okay, check in. Okay, I don't know, man. Things are strange, man. I don't know. You guys let me know, man. So do you guys start yapping today? Total points gained. I have 14,000 points so far. Is that a lot? I don't know. Let me know. My ranking is 502. Right, I just started like 4 days ago. And I earned 468 weekly points. Right now, I'm still on level one. I'm still a newbie on this, so I'm still new. You guys, let me know, man. But yeah, I'm heavy on this one. I want to be more active on this one. So, but like I said, guys, the way my personality is, I believe in if you are struggling on one thing, move to the next thing. Don't ever just sit there and wait, right? Move on to the next thing if you're struggling. Pan Jojo Eat, what's up, bro? Jim, how you guys doing? Jim to everyone, grinding. Yeah, man, guys. Jim to everybody grinding, man. This is a hustle every day. Every day. One opportunity after the next. One door closes, another one opens. You make one mistake today, you moon tomorrow. You moon tomorrow, you might get rocked the next day. Every day just show up. Every day. That's what I'm doing every day. We show up every day, guys. Jerry Kid said, no, get your guest stars every Monday, depending on the number of points you get on the deposits. So I bonded for like a year, man. I bonded for like a year. 10,000 points gave me. Oh, nice. Okay, so I can tell you what I have right now, guys. I just started this stuff. I'm still very new on Noya. I can tell you. Right now, I'm on level one. I have let me scroll down. It's your stats. My stats is I have 485 stars. Weekly points is 646. My Yap rank is 502. I have three referrals, and let me go to the bottom here. My total points gain is 14,500. Yeah, and that's what I have right now. And I bonded. I have 8,700 points from bonding deposits. Then yeah, so yeah, man, nothing crazy, I guess. But yeah, man, I'm almost at level two, right? Level two, that you be about 2,000. So I'm still very new. But I'm not. It's like I said, I'm not worried about this. 'Cause I just started, so we'll keep going. He says it's really difficult for a growing account to rank. I've been yapping for about 2 weeks, still trying to climb. Yeah, like I said, I just started this, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, man, guys, welcome to the show, the Crypto Hour. GM to you all. Happy Monday. It is August 4th. For me, it could be August 5th for a couple of you. Hope you guys are doing okay. Ojo says where Succinct, yeah, Succinct launches tomorrow, right? Succinct did a mess up thing to yeah, they gave I think it was between 1% to 3% to Binance Alpha users. And they they tested people, they didn't do too well, while some tested people on Discord did very, very well. See, it was all planned, man. They planned to do this. I don't know what the benefit is of launching on Binance Alpha. I'm assuming maybe they get a Binance listing on day one. I don't understand. I don't get it. But yeah, so I don't know. I think Succinct is trading at 1.1 right now or something. I don't know, man. I'm not like, it's what it is. I got like 2,000 tokens. It's what it is. You do well, you don't, you move on to the next one. It's what it is, right? But I was very surprised though. Well, I'm happy for the people that did well on Succinct. I'm happy for them. A lot of Discord grinders did very, very well. Which is pretty cool. Benzo's in the house. What's up, Benzo? How you doing? Yeah, man. Hope you guys doing okay, man. Yeah, Succinct probably do well. August 5th. Over, yeah, man. For a couple of you, August 5th already. Benzo, what's up? Are you still grinding on Anoma? Yes, I am still. Anoma is tricky because I think they gave, I think, was it 15,000 people that whatever. Luckily for me, I do have a couple of Discord roles on Anoma on 3 wallets, which is separate from the testing stuff. But the testing guys will do well. The people that got in early on testing will do very, very well. Yeah. Yeah, I'm still on Anoma every day. Every day I'm on Anoma. Grinding on Nova. I go 2002. Yeah, man, probably like $2,000, man. What worth on Susing. So guys, let's start this show, man. Let's start this show. Let's see what's going on with the crypto markets in a second here. Let me open up my let's look at the coin. Look at coin market cap. Here you go. Your market cap. All right, just bear with me. Let me share my screen real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Give 1 second. Share screen. Here we go. Yeah, man. Happy Monday, man. It was a good weekend, man. It was a good weekend. We have a couple of things that I think to look forward to. I think Union's going to do very, very well for a lot of people. A lot of things are coming out. A lot of bullish things coming out. The markets, to me, is looking good, man. I mean, I don't know. To me, the market's looking very, very good. Let me make sure you guys can see my screen here real quick. Yes, you can. Perfect. So as of right now, we have trading volume is okay. Went up a little bit, up $138 billion in trading volume, which is still pretty good. I think on the weekend, trading volume was like 90 something billion. So a 26% increase in trading volume plus an increase in token prices is a good thing. Is a beautiful thing, a very, very good thing. So dominance right now is at Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin dominance is about to break below 6%. That's actually pretty good. And ETH dominance is about to break into 12%, which is spectacular. So right now, all coin season, it might be starting with ETH. That could be the beginning of things right now. So what do we have here? Man? What do we have here? We got Bitcoin at $115,000 right now. Up sideways action, up 0.71% right now. We got Ethereum at 3,725. Spectacular. Absolutely spectacular. Love this. And it's up 5.83%. That's pretty bullish. We got XRP up 4% at 3.08. The reason why this is very, very good, you know why? Because I'll tell you in a second. I'll tell you why this is very, very good. We got BNB at $768 right now, up 1%. Solana at 169, up 4%. We have Dogecoin up 5%, pretty cool. Cardano up 3% at 0.75. Stellar Lumens at up 3%. We got Hyperliquid at $38 or 1.4%. Sui is up 4% at 3.6, and Chainlink $17 or 4%. Things don't do well. Let me go to Polkadot. Yeah, I got Polkadot. I gotta go to that. Polkadot up 3%, 24 hours. Okay, not bad. Uniswap up 8%, pretty cool. The reason why this is good here, I'll tell you, this is why this is very, very good right here. The reason why this is good, because we're seeing the Bitcoin kind of holding strong while altcoins are outperforming it, right? Which is very, very good. And the prices are high, but not too high. So right now, we could go a lot higher than where we are right now. We are a lot higher, guys, because right now, the fear and greed, I think in the short term, I'm talking about within the next, between 1 week to the next 3 to 4 weeks, fear and greed index right now is at 52. It's at neutral. So a fear and greed index at neutral, and ETH is 3,700. That is spectacular. The fear and greed index is neutral at 52, and Bitcoin price is 115 grand. That is spectacular. The fear and greed index is at 52, and Solana is 170. Right? That is beautiful. Okay, because that just means these prices are that high, and the market is basically neutral. Like nothing is really bullish or bearish right now, which is beautiful. I'm not saying we can't go lower or we can go higher. What I'm saying is these prices, especially for Ethereum, ETH at 3,700 right now is pretty cool, pretty bullish when you have the market neutral. Because so when the market goes to bullish, when this number here goes to greed or extreme greed, expect it to be 7K, 8K, 9K. Yes. If we see the fear and greed index go down to like 19 or 8 or 10, then we're talking about it at like 2000 or 2100. So that's a Solana at like $100, man, or 98. Then Bitcoin is going to be probably down to like 75 or 80K then. But as of right now, to me, I think this is very bullish, man, because I'm seeing an increase in trading volume, an increase in price, and a neutral fair and greedy index. That's bullish for me. So the altcoin season index is at 43. So that this just means we're not in where we're slowly approaching altcoin season. Because altcoin season index should be at 90 something or 100 right now for us to be altcoin season. So this could be the beginning of altcoin season. It's to me bullish, man. Absolutely bullish to me. These numbers are spectacular, man. You know what I mean? And that's why. And there's some other thing I want to show you. I think I was looking at the ETF inflows and outflows. I don't know if this thing will show me, man. I was hoping it would show me. The ETF inflows and outflows, because I saw something on CoinMarketCap which is bullish too. The ETF inflows and outflows, what it shows to me, there was $850 million of outflow of the Bitcoin ETF, but only 100 million worth of outflows for Ethereum, which means less buying pressure. I'm sorry, less selling pressure on ETH for the ETFs, but a lot more for Bitcoin, which is, I'm just trying to be simple, which signifies institutions are more bullish on ETH right now, which shows right here, which shows you in the dominance chart right here. It's very simple. Wow, the dominance for ETH is going up. Dominance of ETH is at 11.9, the highest I've seen in a long time. And Bitcoin dominance is coming down. That's how you know that, they're bullish more ETH than Bitcoin. So which also translates into altcoins popping off, man. Yeah. It translates into altcoins popping off in the short term. So let me just quickly look at it. The chat real quick. Jennifer Adjustus, what's up? Jerry Kidd, Ox Gachi, what's up? What's going on? Oh, Gachi, what's up? Jerry, what's up? Blue Blood's in the house. What's up, Blue Blood? Jane, Benzo, what's up? I'm doing great. I hope you guys doing okay. You guys are awesome. Miss Towns. Hey, I'm not, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's what it is, man. You miss, you lose. You're gonna see people winning ahead of you. It's no problem. I'm not one of those people. I will share if I qualify. I will share if I don't qualify, because I'll show you I'm human, man. I don't qualify for everything. I qualify for a lot, but not everything. All right. Let's see. Your work rate. Yeah, but I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Were you in? Yeah, so I go 2000 on Susings, man. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Pandora, what's up? What's going on? Let's see. 10,000 points give me 400. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, no, y'all should do it. I just hope they give me time. I just got on Noya recently, so hopefully I could be more aggressive on Noya. I like Noya because you're talking about the project while also using it. That's why I like it. Definitely move on now, for sure. Benzo, what's up? And Silence, what's going on? GM, we're pre-rich. We're all pre-rich, man, for sure. All right, guys, let me jump on the headlines. Let's see what's going on in this crypto news, man. Let's see what's going on in crypto news. But the markets to me is bullish, because I'm looking at the fear and greed index is neutral. Because the market just dumped recently, and we're still kind of high. The market's still kind of high, right? So when we go to extreme greed, what are we talking about? We haven't hit extreme greed in a long time. So if ETH is at 3,700 now, and we hit extreme greed, what are we talking about? We talking about 6K ETH? 6K ETH. How much is Solana? How much is WIF? How much is Bonk? How much is Polkadot? How all these altcoins are going to do very, very well. So I'm bullish, guys. It's just a matter of we'll see it where things go from here. So, guys, I love this site. This is a site that I use to tell you guys what's going on in the overall crypto markets, not just looking at price, moon every day. So as of right now, this 18 minutes ago, I use this website called cryptopanic.com. I'm gonna go through all the headlines that we have about 30 minutes here to go through the headlines. So let's go. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has a 7-hour playlist with one song on repeat. What? Helps me do deep focus work. What? Yeah, he has a lot of money now, man. He's doing deep focus. He's worth like $10 billion now, man. He's chilling. All right. Let's go. DeFi giants Aave hits major buyback milestone, eyes record year. Bullish. XRP, MR, dead cross, more decline ahead. I don't know. Traders are saying possible more declines ahead for XRP, but you cannot say XRP declines without Bitcoin. That doesn't make any sense. So the market goes where Bitcoin goes, but I don't know. Who the hell knows? All I know is we keep clicking. You know what I mean? All right. What else? We have okay. Hyperliquid hits new all-time high in monthly trading volume. So people that do a lot of perp trading. So Hyperliquid is the number one perp trading dex on in crypto right now. They before it was DYDX, and Hyperliquid came and just destroyed them, right? And that's just what happened, man. And it happens, right? When people have a very good platform, they just come and outdo their competition. Coinbase pushes zero knowledge proofs as solution to arcane BCA. I don't know what BCA means. I'm assuming it's some privacy stuff, maybe. I'm assuming it has to be privacy. That's what I'm thinking. The CFTC launches crypto sprints to enable spot trading on future exchanges. Beautiful. We're gonna have, because a lot in the US, you can't trade leverage. As a non institutional investor. No, retail can't trade leverage here. No, you have to be an accredited investor to be able to do that. So it's coming for retail because crypto platforms are starting to launch this, which is a good feature. Because, like I said, guys, we want more of this. The more friendly companies, governments are to crypto, the more liquidity comes in here. That's what you want, guys. That's what we want. Ethereum's on-chain revival on full display. Last month's transaction volume nears $240 billion. Yeah, man. That's why, because it's very simple. When the prices are up, trading volume goes up. When the prices are down, trading volume goes down. So that's why I never lost faith on ETH, because at the end of the day, ETH is the big dog. When prices go up, volume goes up. It's that simple. What else? We got Solana begins shipping Seeker. Okay, mobile. Solana begins shipping Seeker mobile devices to over 50 countries. Yeah, they've done their thing, man. I like what they did, because they did their stuff their own way. That's what they did. I think it's bullish, 100%. Michael Saylor, Bitcoin is a long-term asset. It is 21 years hold. Basically, you want to hold it for 21 years. That's what he's saying. And I think it might make sense, because it's like gold, man. They're treating Bitcoin like gold. That's basically what it is. It's the ultimate inflation hedge, and it's proven that all these years. Yes. Lido slashes 15. Wow. Lido is a DeFi platform, liquid staking platform, also another big DeFi heavyweights. They've fired 15% of their staff, citing operational cost concerns. Yeah, man. Um, so companies do not like to operate with a lot of employees. They hate that. They could make a lot of money with less. I look at Twitter. Elon Musk. Elon Musk fired all these people. Elon Musk fired all these people, and Twitter is still here surviving, no problem, right? Let me make sure I miss any messages here. Jerry says that's what happens when you hit a local maximum. Yeah, man, big ups. Hyperliquid's killing it though. You cannot hate on them for sure. Joseph says, I want to jump onto Avantis. Are you late? No, you're not late at all. Avantis has been on World Chain for like 3 weeks. Let me check real quick. You're not late on Avantis. The only thing is you cannot yap alone on Avantis. No, it's not. That's not enough. You have to do more than that. Let me check real quick for Justice real quick. Avantis. I want to check when Avantis launch on World Chain. When did they launch on World Chain? Let me see. It's been like at least 2 weeks now. At least 2 weeks. I can tell you right now. Avantis and World Chain. Because I think that campaign could run for like 2 months, and I think that's why you have time. And that's why, I'll give it alpha. Volume. That's what you have to do for Avanti. You need to yap about them and make trading volume. You don't need a lot of money. If you do like $50, do like 10x leverage. But you have to be careful. You don't want to get liquidated. So right here. July 14th. So about 2 weeks. About 2-3 weeks. About 2-3 weeks. 2-3 weeks is when this thing came out, man. I'm on Avantis page right now. So here, right here. July 2nd. Avantis. Avantis, yeah, July 2nd. And right now we August 4th. It's been a month. But they just announced that you could link your EVM wallets to your Avantis page. You check my tweet, guys. I posted. You can check my page. To go to my Twitter page, you can see it. My advice to you is let me even check my rank real quick. Try to yap about them in addition to trade on them and post about them, right? So you're doing a combination of both. I'm gonna check my rank real quick on this. Trading volume is what matters. You need to have good volume. Just keep trading and talk about your trade, and that's it. And just keep doing it every day, guys. Because Avantis is a base project that actually raised like I think 15 or 20 million, and they got it's not working. No, it should work. Give me a second. Warden. I don't want Warden. World Chain. What's going on my phone, man? I can't seem to link. I don't know what's going on. I can't. Okay, it's working. I know it finally works. Avantis. So my rank on Avantis right now. Let me switch. Okay, right now my rank on the 7 day, I'm up 18 spots, 30 days. My rank is 98 right now. So I just linked my wallets recently, and that's what's going to happen. Linking your wallet is important. I don't think a lot of people have already. Link your wallets, and but trade volume. That's what matters, man. So check my page, and you need to talk about them volume. Very simple. Just deposit like 30, $40. Do like a 10x leverage. Sell. Wait like 1-2 hours. Take a shorts. 10x leverage. Sell. Wait again. Do it over and over and over and over again. The more you do it, the more volume goes up. You could use $50 to build $100,000 volume. 100%. I'm gonna say it again. You could use $50 to build over $100,000 in volume. Nalek says, "Cool. It's Quack on World Chain." Yes. Quack. Quacking, not yapping. Quacking on World Chain. Yeah, sorry. You earn your quacks when you scale up on the, yeah, man. Avantis, if you get on leaderboard and you're trading, you're consistent, you're yapping about them, you're gonna do very, very well. Yeah. Because there's not, guys, you could do very well on Avantis, man. You really, really can. All right, let me go back to the show. We have about like 30 minutes. Okay, we have time. We have time. No rush, no rush. No rush, no rush. I just like to answer the questions in the chat real quick. All right, let's keep going on with the show. Let me make sure I didn't lose you guys here. Bear with me. Awesome. All right. What else? What else? What else? Grayscale adds Wall Street veteran. Oh wow. Grayscale adds Wall Street veterans as founder Barry Silbert. Silbert returns to chair. So basically, Grayscale was one of the first, probably the first Web3 company that was basically allowing institutions to buy crypto. But now that U.S. government has opened the doors for crypto, this company is probably reshaping. They're trying to build up their business again, but they lost a lot of business before they did. USD Athena stablecoin explodes to $9.3 billion, overtakes rivals to claim third spots. Athena is bullish, man. Actually, I shorted Athena and I got liquidated. My very, very first trade in years, man. I got liquidated. Athena, let me see, man. I like that protocol, man. Let me see something. Cause that could be something. My wife sold all. She stopped DCAing. I want to check something. Athena. That might be something that I think I might have her buy. Athena. Athena is. Athena's spec. Okay, yeah, I like Athena, man. I might. What's the market cap? Ooh, 3 billion. Ooh. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, mm, yeah, man. I'm coming. I'm just saying something real quick because we be buying optimism. Let me see. That might be a better buy. Optim market cap is 1 billion. I'm trying to think what because my wife and we DCA on our other accounts for stuff. Let me see something. Let me see. What's Tau? That AI project. Tau should be 3 billion. Yeah, I mean that's not bad. Buying some 3 billion, not bad. Okay, we'll see. I'll have to go back and look at that. All right. Billionaire Ray Dalio calls for overhaul of U.S. government economic data. Estimates amid BLS controversy. Yeah, man, these guys, your governments are very shady, man. They provide false data, housing data, job data. They just wreck everything, man. Everything just wrecks. Everything's wrecked here. All governments are corrupt, guys. Guys, all governments are just evil. Ethereum data, Ethereum daily transactions soar. Is ETH entering acceleration mode? Of course it is, guys. Ethereum price was down for a long time, and what happened? What happened was what's it called? The freaking the system. The prices were down for so long, and Solana was basically going all-time high, while ETH was down 60, 70%. So that's what happens when prices go up, network activity goes up. It's that simple. It's that simple, and that's what's happening. ETH is going to go crazy, guys. I'm seeing the signs. It's there. It's there. It's everywhere. It's been down for so long, man. XRP torches 3.6. Cool. Splits back down. What else? What else? What else? What's this? SEC Chairman Paul Atkins pledges to keep crypto innovation on U.S. soil. We have about 3.5 years for the Trump government in power. And we'll see what happens after he leaves. We'll see who gets in there. But at least in the next 3.5 years, a lot of things going to happen. I'm hoping and praying that basically the crypto industry could grow astronomically between that time. Because if they do, Remember, I live in the US. I'm from here. Yes, I get it. I'm Nigerian too. Yes. But what I'm telling you is you want the richest country in the world to be bullish your asset class, to be bullish your sector. But they allow innovation, they allow investments. The more money that comes in there, the more our bags will pump. Right now, we're having the richest people in the world talking about ETH and Bitcoin and Solana and XRP and Chainlink. No joke. In on the planet talking about our industry. So you want that. That's why that money is gonna come in. We want those investments, man. You know what I mean? Bitcoin surpasses all big Bitmine. Sorry, Bitmine. That's the mining company, I think, or I think so. Bitmine surpasses all public firms with $2.9 billion in Ethereum holdings. Yeah, man. So these guys, they want to be like Michael Saylor's company, Stack and ETH. I'm telling you, dudes, man. I've been saying this for a long time. We're having the richest entities in the world buying these things now. Things about to get crazy, guys. I'm telling you right now. Things about to get nuts. They're about to get nuts, guys. And I'm here for it, man. I'm freaking here for it, man. I am. I really, really am. What else? What else? What else? We have blah, blah, blah. What else? What else? What else? Let's keep going here. DCA into Bitcoin years ago would have bought you a Porsche or Rolex. Yes. Yeah, that's very true. I mean, yeah, you buy something that goes up in value over time, you're going to do very, very well. Coinbase, PayPal press forward with stablecoin rewards despite Genius prohibiting them from doing it, because they know they're in the ball is rolling now, guys. So right now, a lot of crypto companies have spent money in Washington D.C. They've lined the pockets of influential politicians in D.C. in Washington D.C. This means it's a favorable environment for them to innovate. So they're pushing the things now because they know they have a short period, a period of time. They know Trump is in there 3.5 years. That's all you have. So there's gonna be a lot of innovation happening between now and when Trump leaves office. So we're gonna see people be able to buy houses and cars with crypto. We're gonna see people using their phones, basically a lot more, using their phones to go buy groceries from the store. You're gonna walk into a grocery store, scan your phone, and pay with USDC, or pay with Dogecoin, or pay with ETH or Solana with your phone. Yes, all that's gonna happen 100% before Trump leaves office. 3.5 years left. 3 years and 6 months left for the crypto industry to do some crazy things. Allow more money to pour in there. Yes, and that's, I believe, the crypto industry will probably add another. Right now, the total market cap of crypto is 3.2, 3.3 trillion. Before Trump leaves office, I could say adding another 1 trillion, probably almost 2 trillion. Yes, I think we're going to add another almost 2 trillion to the crypto market, and that's with stable coins. And those stable coins are going to be leaking into assets. It's going to get crazy, guys. Yes, I'm not saying we're going to Valhalla like we're pumping ATX. No, it's going to be a slow grind up. It could take 3 years for guys. It'll be like every year, Bitcoin goes up 50K every year, 100K. ETH does like it goes from, by December of this year, ETH is like 5,000. Next year, December, 8,000. Next year, December, 9,000. Very slow, but slow. Because guess what? Big money bags are here now, man. Big money bags are here now. So don't expect Valhalla, right? Like we used to. Unless we get mass hysteria again, which only is going to happen. Yes, we also have, there's also a strategic ETH reserve. Guys, I didn't even talk about that. Yeah, man, things about to get crazy, guys. I mean, this is the reason why I'm just here, just having fun, man. I'm making content on every day, on a daily basis, doing airdrop, growing my page, just having fun, man. Because I know what's going to happen. Because by the time things go crazy, that's when we want to be selling. We don't want to be holding our bags then, right? So your best time to accumulate your bags now, yes, 100%. Accumulate your bags now when things are necessarily not too crazy. Because right now, you think things not too crazy right now. And ETH is 3,700. Things not too crazy right now. And Solana is at 171. Bitcoin is 105, 15,000. And things are quiet. That is so when things get crazy, how much do you think the price would be? I'm just chilling, man. I'm just here for the ride. Is what it is. Enjoy the ride. Rep Dina Titus urges probe into CFTC chair nominee Brian Quintent over prediction market ties. All this stuff, guys. It's just noise. There's just noise. SEC's project crypto in quote. So there's something called Project Crypto with the SEC. They aim to put America back at the center of digital finance. That is what the hope is. The goal is. We'll see. I think it's going to happen. It might just be slow. It's not going to happen overnight. I just think, remember what I said before, you want America to be the forefront of crypto because it's the richest country in the world. And they have all that money. And they have the global reserve currency, which is the US dollar. That's why you want your industry to be bullish for the US to be bullish your industry. Yes. All right. What else? We have crypto bros who say their alt bags will go to the moon. What are you talking about? Genius Act scrutinized for stablecoin yield ban as TradFi tokenization gains steam. I don't know. Like, what are you talking about? TradFi tokenization gains steam. I don't know, man. I'm not. It's what it is. We have no control over this. So whatever happens, right? Tether CEO on Bitcoin. Okay, cool. Oh yes. Okay, I'm not logged in. 3 altcoins to watch for next week. BNB, IMX, cool. Phantom acquiring Solana meme coin trading platform Snow Sniper. Cool. Okay, nice. What else? Go ahead. What kind of headlines do I have here? Crypto news. Unicorn counts. Trump says jobs data is rigged. Yeah, it's rigged, of course. That's nothing new. They all know this. All the job data is rigged for a long time. Yeah, 100%. Mizuho reaffirms $120 price target for Robinhood. That's the stock trading, crypto trading platform. Basically, that just embrace crypto like crazy. Just in, Goldman Sachs expects 3 consecutive 25 rate cuts. Yeah, man, things about to get interesting, right? So they're about to cut rates in the US, which is going to be good. That's going to allow for more buying power. That could also create inflation. We will see. A little more, guys. I'll log in. What's time? We have about 8 minutes, guys. So tomorrow, hopefully, I could sign in onto this thing so we could check this shit more. But let me quickly look at what's going on crypto Twitter real quick before we end. We got like maybe like about 10 minutes left for the show. So let's take a look at crypto Twitter. Let me go. Where do I go? Share screen. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. And before I do that, I'm going to look at the chat again. Make sure I didn't miss any comments from you legends in the chat. Here we go. Share. Perfect. Cool. All right, awesome. Let me take a look at this chats. Make sure I didn't miss anyone's comments. Okay, I see everybody chatting. I appreciate you guys for being here as usual. Nothing in the chat so far. Benzo, what's up? What's going on? Jerry says, oh yeah, so the Ethereum strategic reserve, yes. That's I didn't even talk about that. That's also a massive big deal. So this is what we doing today. Okay. So yeah, today was interesting, man, because I wasn't eligible for this thing. That's very interesting because it's been a while since I've been ineligible for stuff. People are commenting on here. I mean, let me look at the comments. It is very interesting though, because I wrote, "It's been a while since I was ineligible. This feeling is unfamiliar." Let's read the comments, man. They get Rich Kid says, "Welcome to the club." Eminem says, "I'm ineligible too. Have you entered your towns?" What I did. Most people made a mistake. I was eligible, man. Check your order wallet. Silence. I did. Not eligible. Be happy. You were eligible for dust. Okay. We win. We win some. We lose some. 100%. Jane, I'm sure she got in. She said, "Damn." Okay. It's unfamiliar, especially when you are used to winning 100%. On to next school for sure. Pandora eat knows what's up, man. He knows what's up. Like when you're in this game for a while, you win, you lose, you become numb, man. You really become numb, right? And because you know your position is so many different things, and you just keep going. Like you're like a robot, right? You just keep going. Sayusho says very unfamiliar. That's sad if you actually got in on the task. Um use town address. I did. People think I don't read. I did read, man. I did use the in-app address. It didn't work. Are you checking my address? I did. I guess it's jokes on them. Not only you included me. Okay, next time for sure. Sims I'll go check mine. Check in town now. Well, nothing. The dust gonna be only farms got 5,000 points were eligible. Oh, okay. I didn't get 5,000 points, man. All my ineligible for DOS. I'm not. It's all good, man. I mean, guys, there's so many protocols. This is why I keep telling you guys, like, don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? You're active in all these protocols, and if you get rewarded on one, great. If you don't, great. You just keep going, right? Guys, you will never. Have you ever seen me complain? I think Starknet was the one time I learned my lesson. It was like 3 years ago. You never see me complain. I have zero complaints, none whatsoever, zero. Because I'm not in that game of complaining, man. There's too much going on right now, man, for me to be complaining about one project, man. Come on, man. So let's take a look at we have like maybe 10 minutes left before I have to go eat. I'm actually pretty starving. I gotta eat some food, man. Matching Eden season 2 are being. Did I even check my what? I have no idea. That I didn't use Magic. I don't even know, man. I have Magic Eden. I have no idea, man. I didn't do that shit, man. What time? Oh yeah, prove is launching tomorrow. I have no idea. I think as of right now, my Susync token is worth like $2,000. I think that's what the price is worth, but it's what it is, right? GM, what else? I'm just looking at. Oh, I see Panadol ETH. I think this is fraction. What is this? I'm not sure. Union also is going to do very very well. What? Why did this dude post my picture on his page? I don't know why. That's my PFP. That is so hilarious. Bro got an inner city badge. Now, bro no longer reply accounts he once played a reply guide to. Human nature. Come on, man. Come on. Human nature. Human nature. That is funny. Just the way the game is played. When people scale up, when people scale up, they forget where they come from. It's human nature. I've seen this stuff. It's so weird. It's so strange. You a lot of times you should never forget where you came from. It keeps you grounded, if that makes sense. Some people they lose everything because they lose themselves. They lose their soul. They forget where they came from. Don't ever forget where you came from. Never, 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 never. Yeah, so World Chain, another one's gonna do well. I've been saying this for a long time, and if you're a small account and struggling to break out the algo, go to Wallchain. I've been saying this for like 4 months. Go to Wallchain if you're struggling on Kaito. Wallchain has been killing it, guys. You have a better chance, man. You do. I'm gonna let me retweet this. I've been saying this for such a long time. Been saying this for 3 months. For 3 months. I'm just typing, guys. See me typing. If you are struggling on Kaito, move to Wallchain. It's that simple. Like, I don't understand, man. Should I put my link? I've onboarded a lot of people on there, man. I have. I've onboarded a lot of people onto Wallchain. Let me see. I don't want to put up. I'm putting up a link here. Let me see. There we go. I'm putting my link. If you're struggling on Kaito, go to Wallchain. Okay? Because you want to go to where you're being treated better. For real. Like right now, like my rank on Wallchain overall, my overall rank on Wallchain is 318. In the past 30 days, I'm ranked like overall. My quacks, I have 700 and like almost 800 quacks, man. I've been doing very, very well on Wallchain, 10 times better, 100 times better than on Kaito. I am killing it here, man. I am killing it on Wallchain, and I don't even click as much. Okay, I'm putting link up. Use link below. I'm gonna plug my link for you. I'm sure if you're watching me right now, 90% of you should be on Wallchain because I've been chilling this stuff for months, man. For months. Use my link below ASAP. Been saying this for 3 months. If you are struggling on Kaito, move to Wallchain now. Move to Wallchain now. Big capital letters now. Use my link below ASAP. Done. I've been chilling this thing for a long time when nobody was even on it, man. And I'm happy a lot of you listen. Did you know that Baba Crypto is number one on what's it called? On number one on Sockets protocol on Wallchain. Number one. The number one accounts. I'm sure because he figured it out, man. He's like, look, man, I'm tired of grinding on Kaito, on not growing. I'm fine, guys. I have like almost 7,000 Kaito staked. I have the Kaito NFT. I have almost 500 yaps. I'm fine. I'm golden. I'm set on Kaito. I have zero problems on Kaito. Zero. I've made a lot of money already on Kaito. I'm fine. But a lot of people are struggling, man. And those are the people that I'm speaking to. I'm not talking about the people that are doing well on Kaito. I'm talking to the people that are struggling. So please go wake up, man. Wake up. Pretty wild that crypto Twitter had the absolute meltdown over recent dip. Yeah, that's crazy, right? Insane. Bro, Bitcoin is over 100K. Relax. Did I just say this at the beginning of the show? I said this at the beginning of the show, right? I did, man. I did. Sports little kids. Let me see. Oh, not entitled. Entitled behavior. I'm out to spell that. Behavior. Yeah, man. People are entitled in crypto, man, heavily. Guys, chill. Do you understand? Like the amount of money that's gonna come here, it's gonna take time, right? This stuff it takes some time. Be patient, man. It takes some time, okay? Be patient. What I'm saying is we have a lot coming, guys. A lot coming. Patience. Novastro, another one, is gonna do very well. Yeah, man. I'm bullish on a lot of stuff, man. I'm bullish on a lot of stuff, right? Unions coming to do very well. Also, let's see. Um, in July 2025, across substrate ecosystem, Polkadot led with 1 million active wallets. Okay, BitTensor 500,000. Kusama. Okay, okay, this is yeah, man. This is Polkadot ecosystem. Okay, cool. I hope Dot does. I have a lot of Dot though. Hey, man, I have a lot of money in Dots, and I'm down. I hope it does. Well, I've been waiting for a long time. Union TGE is coming soon. Don't know when that'll be. Hopefully people do well. Normies, when they finally realize they've been tricked into believing crypto is a scam. Yeah, man. Crypto will do very well, guys. Crypto do very, very well. What else? What else? What else? Breaking news. September rate cuts odds are in 90%. Yeah, it's whatever. I'm not tripping. 8 hours ago. And Indian H-1B visas replace American jobs instead of stop funding sending weapons to Obama. Okay. India is not only buying massive amounts of Russian oil, they are then for much of our oil purchase selling it to open market in big profits. They don't care how many how many people in Ukraine are being killed. Yeah, man, this is just trade war stuff. Everybody's trying to figure out a way. Oh, this is pretty cool, man. Saffron did an airdrop. That's nice. Um Man, yeah, man, these guys right here, this is, yeah, man, I'm happy I own the NFT, man. This co-founder or one of the team members of Union. So he's giving you signs, man. Basically, he's telling you this NFT is going to do very, very well, man. I've had this for a long time, man. I never sold it. I just held it in my wallet. So hopefully I do well with that. We'll see. Yeah, guys. I gotta end the show, man. I gotta go eat, man. I gotta get some food. I'm fucking starving. So, guys, thank you for coming to the show, another successful show, the Crypto Hour. I love the shows, man. I think because we don't always talk about moon every day. We talk about actually information that actually that tells you what to do, right? We're talking about the markets and money, where it's going, when it's coming, ETF, this, ETF, that. But good show today. Happy. Let me take my screenshot, man. I love doing this shit because I like to take screenshots to appreciate the audience for all the beautiful things, all the support that they've been giving me all this time. Uh let me see. Let's see. Mm, let's see here. Take the screenshot. Let's go. So we have 175 live viewers, man. Thank you for you guys. I appreciate you guys on YouTube watching from Twitter live. I'm hoping to be back on Sidekick hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. But thank you for being here, guys. You guys have been awesome. I will be back again tomorrow at 6 p.m. CST. We're just doing this show 1 hour every single day, and I'm missing one. Not missing the show. I didn't miss the airdrop show this Saturday. I got crazy busy, so I couldn't hold the show. We'll be back this weekend. But guys, thank you for all the support. I appreciate you, Justus, Jerry, Benzo. I see all of you here. I'm trying to read the names. OX Gachi, Gachi, Jerry Kid, Jennifer. What's up? What's going on? And thank you for coming to the show, Justus. Thank you guys for putting the show to tomorrow. Same time, 6 p.m. CAC. Like I said, I want to keep the show straight to an hour. And we're talking about what actually matters, man. You know what I mean? Like giving you guys the updates about crypto in general. We're talking about markets quickly, talk about the headlines, what's going on, and briefly go look at crypto Twitter a little bit and see what's going on. But overall, I'm here every day, guys. Thank you for your support. You guys are absolutely fucking awesome. I love you guys. You guys are great, man. Thank you for your support, man. A year and a half doing this show, beautiful thing.